let's do a little unboxing today. This is from Tortuga Tools. Now, if you don't know Tortuga Tools, they have a totally different concept with their tools. They're a very fun company, fun colors, fun concept. Even their concepts are different, where they have a lab where you can, they're testing tools and you can buy from the lab section and try it out before it's actually in public to see if it's something that they want to use, which will take off, won't take off, and get your feedback. And they use your feedback to create better tools. They also have very vibrant colors, so it's a very fun company, and you can choose the colors you want. So if you want to match things or mix and match, and you want pink tools, you'll get pink tools. If you want green tools, you'll get green tools. So their whole concept is really, really fun and really, really cool. So they let me choose a whole load of things, and I can't wait to see them. I've never seen them before, so let's open it together. As you can see, already the fun starts. Thank you. And that is their little logo. It's a tortoise, a Tortuga. Their whole concept is absolutely great. See what I mean by colors? Now, these are sanding blocks, which they're different colors because they're different grades. So I can't wait to try these. Or different grits, should I say, different grits. So they're different colors for the different grit sizes. I'll explain them all when we get to do them. This, I haven't seen before this. See what I mean by the colors? I chose the pink. Now, this is a wire cut-off tool, but which wraps up, folds up again. We'll look into that. And this is from their lab. So this is a trial and test. I got a diamond, it's a diamond like blade thing here, but it's to sharpen your trimming tools. I mean, how handy is that? We're always looking for something like that. So I can't wait to try that out. Then I bought one of their trimming tools, and I chose the lavender color. You see, it's all rubberized. You choose your colors, nice long handle. See the quality. The quality is fantastic. Then they've got these little sponges. I mean, these look, I can't wait to try them. They look like thin little sponges, but you put them in water and they swell up. So I bought those because I'll use them, but they're damn cute. So let's see those. And one thing I did get, which obviously not everyone's going to get these, it's little, let's see if I can open it up. It's little earrings of their logo. I mean, how cute is that? I've got to throw in style, you know. And these are just adorable. So it's for their logo, Tortuga, beautifully presented. So they've got a few little jewelry things. What they do have, I noticed, I didn't get that. It's a beautiful gold necklace, or rose gold. There's two different ones. And it's actually beautiful. You can wear it as is. But the shape at the bottom, it's like almost like a diamond. But it's quite a clever necklace because it's not just for beauty. It's for function as well. You actually take it off and you put your ring. You know, often like when you do pottery and you, especially if you somewhere at a rec center or something, throwing, you don't want to throw with the ring. You don't want to leave it anywhere. You take it off and you actually put it on that necklace. So it's actually a ring holder, but yet it's a beautiful piece of jewelry, actually. So it's pretty cool. So I'll show you these when I start using them. Thanks, Tortuga, for sending me these. I mean, they are too cute. The whole concept and color range, and I just love it. I think it's going to be fun to use, a fun company to deal with. They have been very, very great customer service. The manager has been great to me. Everyone's been wonderful. So I'm really happy to promote them because of how they are with us, the customers. So I'm going to share them with you, and let's see how it goes. Thanks, Tortuga.